Hi, baby. You're back?
Yeah, Dad.
How are you?
Dad, I feel life ebbing away from me.
Darling, life is going nowhere. How was work today?
Hectic. And I brought some more work. We have a meeting by 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, and I must have these ready before then.
Don't worry. Hard work never killed anyone.
Yeah, but stress does. Let's put me on Taya.
Yeah, Taya called earlier. She said she will stay back in school. Some school work to do. And Bumi is in her room.
Okay. I like that.
I was hoping you would help us to cook some...
Cook? Dad, please. Let Bumi make noodles for you. I doubt I'll survive a minute beside that cooker in this state.
Right. Noodles
Sorry,
again.
Dad. Sorry, Dad.
No problem.
Love you. Good night.
Morning. Where are you off to? It's only 7 a.m.
I have lectures for 7:30. I'm late already. Besides, I have 2 shoots today. And I really dread today. I'm already exhausted. It's not even started.
Belle, I have countless of meetings today too. 6 clients. I will drop you off at school. Where is Shadi and Bumi?
They left the house like 10 minutes ago.
Isn't it too early for Bumi to be in school?
I don't know. Bumi said something about having notes of assignments to submit.
I will drop you off in school.
Okay, Daddy. Thank you. I'm ready.
Welcome back, darling. You good?
Hello, Dad. This house is a mess. And it stinks. And I saw cobwebs earlier today.
Well, the house hasn't gotten the attention it needed. No one has done any cleaning in the past week.
Maybe we should get a maid.
Not gonna happen.
Come on, Dad. We need a maid. Everyone is busy and everything else is suffering.
We can't get a maid when we have 3 ladies living in the house.
But the 3 ladies are hardly at home. Come on, Dad. Let's be reasonable. We need a maid.
Hi, Dad. What's up, Shadi?
We need a maid. Don't you think we need a maid?
Yeah, of course. Someone to cook and clean. Sounds good to me.
No.
Dad thinks we'll be spoiling us if we get a maid.
Daddy, we've been doing these things before now. It's just that we're really busy this period. But do you want us to stop going to school and stop working just so we can stay at home and do house chores?
And besides, I don't know why we shouldn't try to help somebody else. I'm sure whoever we're getting would need the money to attend to some personal needs.
Yeah, I mean, you have a point there. We'll be saving a life. Daddy, please think about this, please. All we need to do is contact an agency that specializes in getting maids, and we have one.
Agencies like that exist?
Of course, Daddy. It's the 21st century. Why not?
Daddy.
Okay, fine.
Thank God. Thank you, Daddy. Good night. Love you.
So you come in the mornings and you go back home at night. But you can sleep in during weekends.
All right, sir. That works for me.
I presume you're satisfied with the salary.
I am more than satisfied, sir. I feel lucky.
Good. When do you intend to start?
Immediately, if you want.
All right. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Mummy will take you around.
Thank you, sir.
Impressive or what? As soon as I got to the agency and I was introduced to her, I fell in love with her immediately. I knew she was the one.
Very impressive. And she speaks well too, which is certainly a plus.
I still don't feel comfortable with this. I wonder what people will say when they hear. Amaka will go into a fit.
Daddy, what people will say? People, Auntie Amaka, have to start minding their business. This is our business.
Yeah, Dad. Everything will be alright, okay? You worry too much. Come on, let's enjoy the maid now.
Maria.
Thank you, sir.
Hey.
Don't worry.
Really?
I'll take care of it.
Oh, thank you. Well done, oh.
Thank you. Miss Shade, your clothes are on the bed ironed. Yours to Miss Tayo. Miss Bumi, I'll do yours tomorrow. I need to make dinner now.
Thanks, Maria.
Thanks, Maria.
No problem, okay? Thank you. And please call me Bumi.
Good evening, sir. Dinner will be ready in 45 minutes.
Thank you. Shade, can I have a word with you?
Dad.
We don't need Maria anymore.
What?
We no longer need a maid.
But Dad, we do need a maid.
See what you all have become. Just because someone is doing the house chores for you. I don't like it one bit. You guys have more time now. And you should be able to do all your house chores yourselves.
Dad, I get one Saturday free in the past 4 weeks. And you're angry that I'm resting?
It's not that.
So what is the issue?
I don't want her anymore.
Dad, Maria loves her job and she's not complaining. Besides, she needs the money. And she's doing a great job. Okay. What would be your reason for sending her away? Huh?
I don't need her again.
Mister, please don't send me away. I need this job. My family is back in my hometown and I am the first daughter. I have to keep sending them money often, please.
Stand up, Maria. No one is sending you away. You can go back to your work.
Oh, Daddy, you're such a hero. Come, give a hug. Daddy.